Hi everyone, hope you're all well. In today's video, we're going to look at another website builder that's also known for being really user-friendly and also a hosting service as well, and that's Jimdo. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for individuals and business alike, and Jimdo aims to make website creation accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. It has a really intuitive interface, drag-and-drop functionality, and a wide range of features. Jimdo offers a really simple yet powerful platform for designing and customizing professional-looking websites. So whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or someone looking to showcase your portfolio, join me as I dive into the world of Jimdo and explore its key features, strengths, and limitations to help you make an informed decision for your online endeavors. So let's get started. So first of all, Jimdo is a website builder and hosting service, and it allows individuals and businesses to create their own websites without requiring extensive technical knowledge or coding skills. It was founded in 2007, and it's based in Hamburg, Germany. But Jimdo provides a user-friendly interface that enables users to design and customize their website using pre-designed templates, drag-and-drop elements, and a variety of features as well. It also offers a range of tools and functionalities to help users create professional-looking websites, including e-commerce capabilities, SEO optimization, blogging tools, image galleries, contact forms, and so much more. The platform caters to both personal and business needs, offering different subscription plans that provide varying levels of features and resources. Jimdo also provides mobile responsive templates, allowing users to create websites that adapt well to different screen sizes and devices as well. A really notable aspect of Jimdo is its emphasis on simplicity and ease of use. It aims to make website creation accessible to users with minimal technical expertise, providing an intuitive interface and straightforward setup process as well. However, it may have some kind of limitations compared to more advanced website development in terms of customization and options and flexibility. But overall, it's a really popular choice for individuals, small businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to establish an online presence and create their own websites with relative ease and affordability. In today's video, we'll cover how to get started using the intuitive drag-and-drop filter, talk about hosting and pricing, and compare it to other popular website builders that we've covered in the past, like Wix, and help you make an informed decision as well. So to get started, what you want to do is go onto the Jimdo website, and we can click on the link in the bio as well if you're wanting to get started. And you want to sign up for our account. So you want to look for the Start Free button or Get Started button as well to create a new account. So signing up is free. You can either sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or just your email. So there are two options when you get started. Jimdo will ask you which way you want to create your website. You can either use one of the professional templates that they have that are also mobile responsive, or if you do have some background in some coding knowledge as well, then you can also use the editor as well. In today's example, we are going to use the website builder, but you want to choose the option that best suits your needs, basically. So similar to Wix, what Jimdo will do now is ask you questions about the type of website you want to create. That way, when you're first setting up, Jimdo will set up it with the features and offer you templates to match your needs as well. So it's really important that you answer these questions. You can skip the questions, but it just makes it cuts down a lot of time in terms of choosing a template and also some of the features as well. So you can decide who you're creating a website for. So if it's for yourself or for a team or a business with more than one person, it's up to you. And what's this website for? Is it for a hobby? Is it to promote a business? Things like that. In this example, we'll use my new business. And you want to just give it the name of your business as well. What Jimdo will try to do now is try and look on Google to see if there is a business in your name as well. So if it's not here, you can just continue without, but you can also go through each of the options that they have and just collect that. The purpose of this is that if there's any information on there, like contact information, it'll already automatically bring that over to your site and save time on editing that yourself. And then it'll ask you what category your business is in, and it will be useful so that they can recommend the right tools and services for your business. And you want to say what the goals of your website are. You can choose up to 3, whether that's to showcase your work, announce an event, promote a physical business, get customers to contact me. Again, this is just to let Jimdo know exactly what features it should add in the beginning. And you can decide if you want to add your own photos from Facebook or Instagram. And you want to actually tell Jimdo what the theme of your website covers so that they can provide the images and text and structure to kind of match that. And now it's going to ask what your style is, and it's basically just so it knows what kind of look that you would like for your website so that they can design your website to match. And then it'll ask you what colors you like best. And you can choose up to 3 pages for what pages your website need. You can always add pages later on. You can also remove pages later on. It's just in the initial build, it'll add some pages for you. So now I'll give you the options of 2 templates, and what you want to do is just pick one that you want to start working on. Again, you can change all of the suggestions that are made here. It's just a sort of starting off point as well. You can also choose to skip this step as well. Next thing that it'll ask you is if you want to buy a domain if you don't already have one. So this will be needed a lot later whenever you first publish your site, but you can, if you plan on hosting your site on Jimdo as well, then it makes more sense to kind of buy the domain through Jimdo as well if you haven't got a domain yet. For now, we'll just use a free Jimdo subdomain, and then we'll add our domain later. And that's it. Jimdo is now going to start building your website, and we can start customizing it on later on. So as you can see from the beginning, the process is very similar to Wix, where Wix will also ask you step by step what kind of website you're creating. It's also the same for Squarespace and some of the other website builders we've seen. So it makes it kind of easier in the beginning because it'll give you a template that is close to what you want anyway. But then the good thing about all of them is that afterwards you can change things like the style, you can change the layout, you can change the pages it's used as well. But this is your website, and you can see this is what the website looks like on the editor. You have the front end, and then you've got the different sections here. It's laid out very similar to Squarespace, where you have the edit website, you got design, pages, domains separated here, and then to edit the actual website you can just click into each of the sections as well. So let's get started. The first thing that we might want to do when you first get this website is to change the actual color palettes and fonts that's being used. So what you want to do is go into the design section, and you can either edit the color palette, or you can edit the font set, or you can edit some of the animations being used with the buttons. If we click on edit color palette, you can see this is the color palette it's being using, and you can create a color palette from the image, or you can use existing color palettes that they've been given. I'm actually happy with the color palette used, but I'm going to change the font set as well. So if you click on edit font set, it'll give you some recommendations for font pairings basically. So you can look at each of them as a preview and see which one that you like. So for example, if we click on this one here, you can see this site changing with that font set. And you just want to go through each of them and just make sure that the one that you're picking fits your brand, fits your logo, and just fits all of your kind of the theme that you're overall wanting to convey. And then once you're finished, you can click on done. You can also change the font size to small, medium, or large. I think normal is a good size because it's not too small, not too big as well. I just want to click on done, and we've got the theme changed as well. The other thing that you might want to do is maybe change the pages. So if you remember, we added the contact my services and about me, and maybe you want to change the order. So we go into pages, and we can change the order of the pages being used as well. And then we can change the actual content as well. So this says about me. What we're going to do is we're gonna just change my services to say FAQs, and then that changes in the header as well. And then if you wanted to remove some pages, you just click on the right hand side of the page and just click on delete. And then if you want to add new pages, you want to click on add new page, and then you can add different types of pages. You can also add a blank page, or you can just add a page that they suggested as well. It's really important to note that the free plan initially with Jimdo allows you to have up to 5 pages, so you can't have any more than that. In order to have more pages, you need to upgrade, but we can talk a little bit more about the pricing plans as well. They also have system pages, so these are essentially the legal pages like privacy policy, cookie settings, and cookie banner. And what's really cool about Jimdo is that they have a legal text generator. So if you don't have a privacy policy already in place and you're struggling to write one, Jimdo will do that for you through one of their updated plans. And once you're done with that, you just want to click on done. And now you can go into settings. And if you wanted to change the website language, you can just change it here as well. And then we can go back to edit website. So once you have the theme of your website set up and you have the pages set up, the only thing left to do now is to actually just change the website content. So the first thing that you might want to do is, you see this heading here, you might want to change the design of this. Essentially they call it block. It's this section here. And if you click on the section and then you click on edit block, you can see that you have different layouts for the navigation. It's using this one for now, but maybe you might want to do this one where it has the logo on the left and text on the right as well, and you can decide what background color you want to give it, or if you want it to be a transparent navigation as well, and this will make the navigation just stick to the screen as well. You can also add a favicon. Again, it's a premium feature, but you can add your logo essentially up here. And then you just want to go through the page, each of the sections, and just make sure that it looks exactly how you want it. So right now we have this slider. If I wanted to change, for example, the text here, I can just click into the text and then just type directly what text I want to change. I can click into the next slide and then again do the same thing as well. And it's up to me if I want to keep both the slides or not. So if I only want to keep those 2 slides, and you can see it's really easy to change as well. What's also really cool is each of them basically I can add a block. So if I click on this section here, I can click on block design, and you can see it'll change the design of the block. When they say block, they're really referring to the section that's referred to in like Wix or Squarespace, but essentially you can change the layout of each of the sections that are here. And you can change the overall color layout as well. So this is black. I want to change it to maybe this cream color, and just make it a little bit easier on the eyes to see as well. I just want to click done. And then you have some sections here. If you wanted to add a new section, you just want to click on add block beneath the section that you want to add it to. And you can add different sections that have already been pre-designed for you. So there's cover sections, there's about sections, there's text sections as well, if you just want to add simple text, but there's different text layouts, image sections, just a lot of sections basically that you can add more content to. So we have this about section here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this photo gallery. And I'm going to add a contact section. So if I click on add block, I'm going to look for contact. And you can see there's a simple contact section here. I might change the color of it. Maybe to this purple. So I'll click on add this block. So you can see I've got a contact form with the name, with the form sections here. And I can change things like the title and things like that as well. If I want to change something on another page, what I'm going to do is click into the page, and I'm going to click into the different pages as well. So if I click on About Me, for example, so you can see this is the About Me page. I'm going to click on Add Block. I'm going to see if there's anything else that I like the look of, something like this maybe, or something like this, where it has some of the images a bit more focused in the middle, and a bit more text as well. So I'm going to take this block and I'm going to make sure it's selected and just click on delete and just bring this up a little bit. Next thing I can change is the footer design, and there's about 3 designs that you can choose, but you can also change the color for all of them as well. And you just want to pick something that kind of works with your theme as well. So I'm going to match it to the header. And then if we go to the contact page again, so we have the contact section here, and we can decide if we want to add blocks, remove blocks, change sections, and things like that. If you wanted to update an image, for example, so for example this image here, what I'm going to do is click into the image, and I'm going to click on choose image in the image toolbar, and you can decide if you want to use an image. So these are saved images from the theme, but you can also decide if you want to use one of the free high resolution photos, and these are photos basically from Unsplash that are free to use. They don't need to be credited or anything. You can just use them for your website here, or you can use new images either from Facebook, Instagram, or from this device. So it'll allow you to upload photos directly from your computer into the website as well. So it's up to you how you want to do that. And then once you select the image, you just want to click on the image and click on insert. And that's it as well. Once you're done, what you can do is click on publish to start publishing your site. What you want to do before that though is you want to go onto the search engines as well. And this will basically turn on the SEO settings again. So this is something that you will need to upgrade for, but Jimdo does offer the built-in SEO settings similar to how Wix does to help optimize your website for better SEO. They have the key aspects of their SEO settings are page titles and descriptions. So you can customize the page titles and descriptions for each of your websites. The URL structure as well can be customizable. They have options to set header tags, image optimization as well, mobile optimization, sitemap, social media integration as well. So Jimdo does provide these SEO settings, but it's also really essential to focus on creating high quality content, using relevant keywords naturally, and providing a great user experience. These factors, in addition to proper SEO settings, can contribute to better search SEO rankings and can increase organic traffic to your Jimdo website. But once you're happy with everything and the site is at a place where you're happy to publish it, what you want to do is click on publish, and you have 2 options. So we started off with the free subdomain. So this is our subdomain here, healthyminds.jimdosite.com. So the website is live under this domain, but in order to provide good user experience and SEO as well, you want to make sure that you're using a custom domain. We have more videos about custom domain names in our YouTube channel as well. But basically, Jimdo do give you the option to buy a domain through them if you don't already have one. Jimdo also offer hosting services as well as part of its website builder platform. So when you create a website with Jimdo, your site is hosted on their servers, which means they store your website files. So it's up to you if you want to either get your domain with Jimdo if you don't already have one, or if you do have one, then you can always point it towards your Jimdo domain. But essentially what you want to do is just look for a domain that you like the look of, and then just buy it through Jimdo. And these are some of the Jimdo plans. So it's split between website and online stores. So if you do have an online store set up on your Jimdo website, you need to use one of the online store plans, which are a little bit more expensive than the website plans. But if you have a basic portfolio website, blog website, then you want to just stick to the website plans. So it starts at as little as £9 a month and goes way up to £39 a month. But there's basically different pricing plans to cater for various needs and budgets. So there is the free version that allows you to create a basic website for free, but it does come with a lot of limitations, as we've seen. Mainly the Jimdo subdomain, the branding that's being displayed on your website, but also the limitations on how many pages that you can have. So there are some storage limitations. The Jimdo Start plan is one of the cheapest plans, and it's the entry-level paid plan, and it offers additional features, removes the limitations of the free plan, and also includes a domain as well for the first year, and more storage space, and the ability to connect a custom domain. So it's a good option for personal websites and small projects, and also it's really good that if you don't have a domain, because you can get a domain free for 1 year if you were to buy it through Jimdo as well. The next one then is the Grow plan, and this has everything the Start plan has, but then also activates the SEO settings that you have, and you can also have viewer statistics and personalized support within 4 hours as well. The Grow Legal plan is suitable for growing businesses and offers more advanced features. It includes all the features of the Start plan and the Grow plan, along with the customized legalized text that we talked about for the privacy policy pages, and any updates about legal changes as well. And then you have the Unlimited, and this basically has everything that the other plans have, including unlimited storage. They also have professional design analysis, and you also get premium support within 1 hour as well. It's great towards businesses and organizations that require a lot more resources and advanced features. It includes all the features of the Grow plan, but with unlimited storage, additional e-commerce features, and email marketing capabilities, as well as the enhanced SEO options. It's worth noting though that Jimdo does occasionally offer discounts and promotions, so it's a good idea to check the website for any current deals. But additionally, Jimdo also offers the e-commerce specific plans, and these plans are designed for online stores and provide advanced e-commerce features such as inventory management, order tracking, flexible payment options, and a lot more. This is slightly different to the Wix pricing. I would say the Wix pricing is slightly more cheaper, as their most basic plan starts at £4 a month. Now, it doesn't remove any of the branding the way the Jimdo plans one does, but it does have a connect domain. Both Jimdo and Wix offer free plans that allow you to create basic websites without cost, but they come with limitations like branded domains and limited storage space. But I would say Jimdo's free plan has more restrictions compared to Wix's free plan, which offers more flexibility and features as well. With Wix's free plan, you still get the basic SEO settings. You can have as many pages as you want as well. It just has a lot of the branding, and it has the Wix subdomain as well. I would say Wix offers a wider range of options compared to Jimdo. Wix provides multiple plans tailored to different needs, and they vary in terms of features, storage, and bandwidth. Jimdo, on the other hand, offers a more streamlined pricing structure with fewer plan options. And in general, Wix offers more comprehensive and advanced features across their pricing tiers compared to Jimdo. And Wix's higher tier plans provide access to features like advanced design options, extensive app marketplaces, and things like that. But Jimdo's plans are relatively simpler and focus on essential features for website building and basic e-commerce. Ultimately, the choice between Jimdo and website depends on your specific budget and the level of features and customization you need for your website. If you click through our channel, you can see more about Wix's pricing and also Wix in general to see which features that you think you'll need the most, and explore their pricing details and compare the features that way. Overall though, when comparing Jimdo and Wix, there are some key points to consider. Both Jimdo and Wix offer user-friendly interfaces with the drag and drop functionality. However, Wix generally has a more intuitive and robust website builder interface. Wix also offers a larger selection of visually stunning and highly customizable templates compared to Jimdo. Wix's templates cover various industries and design styles, allowing for more creativity and customizations, while I would say Jimdo has a bit more of a limited selection. And Jimdo generally offers more simplified pricing options with fewer tiers and plans to choose from, and Wix provides a wider range of plans offering more flexibility and scalability. While both platforms have free plans, Wix's free plans offer more features and flexibility compared to Jimdo's free plans. Both platforms also offer support through knowledge bases, tutorials, and community forums. Wix, however, has a larger and more active user community and provides more extensive customer support options, including phone support, which Jimdo does not offer. Ultimately, the choice between Jimdo and Wix depends on your specific needs and budget. as well as your technical requirements. If you prioritize a wider range of features, advanced customization options, and a larger template selection, Wix might be the better choice. But if you prefer a more streamlined and simplified approach with a focus on essential website building and features, Jimdo could be a suitable option. It's recommended to explore both platforms, test their free plans, and consider your specific goals before making a decision. So that concludes my review of Jimdo. Overall, it provides a really accessible and user-friendly solution for catering to websites without the need for extensive technical knowledge. There is a range of features, and there's really good customizable templates as well that will help you basically establish a strong online presence. There are some limitations compared to a more advanced platform like Wix or even Squarespace, but Jimdo can be a really great choice for those seeking a straightforward and affordable way to build their own websites. Thank you for watching, and I hope this review has helped you in your decision-making process. If you find the video helpful, or if you've tried Jimdo yourself, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more website builder review content. Thanks!